Welcome, family. This is Eric, the app guy, and I am humbled and privileged to be able to walk you through setting up your GS DeFi account with GSPartners. Now, DeFi is just a fancy acronym for decentralized finance, and this is a system where financial products become available on a public decentralized blockchain network, making them open for anyone to use rather than having to go through middlemen like banks or brokerages. So in essence, instead of you giving the banks your assets and letting them invest to make millions of dollars, and then they in turn give you pennies on the dollar, a DeFi account allows you to participate in 100% of the realization of profits from your assets that you get to keep in your own possession. And so with that, let's move forward. Sit back, watch this video all the way through first, then come back and start stepping through it with us. But let's go ahead and let's get your GS DeFi account set up. Let's go. All right, family. So when you first start, we're going to go through how to set up your DeFi account with GSPartners. You're also going to see how to set up your web wallet as well in this particular scenario. And so this will actually walk you through on video, so you can pause, stop, rewind, do whatever you need to do. But this video hopefully will help a lot of people go ahead and get their DeFi set up. One of the first things that you want to make sure that you have in place is you want to make sure that your KYC, know your customer, is done for both your GSPartners and for your gstrade.exchange. Now, to find your KYC on the GS Trade, let's see what just happened here. Okay, I'm gonna log back in. Hold on a moment. All right, so once we get in, if you want to just make sure, all right, your KYC, you can click on dashboard, go to KYC, and you need to have at least bronze successfully verified. You need to have bronze at least successfully verified, all right? Now, the other thing that we want to make sure of course, is that we have our web wallet set up. And so in this case, we do not have our web wallet set up. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to set that up. All right. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to click on Create Wallet. And right here, it says it's very important to store your mnemonic key safely as it can't be recovered. It will be the only way to access and/or recover your wallet. And so it's making you check. I understand that's new. So make sure that you check that, that you understand, and then it opens up to let you create a new wallet. All right. Now, right here is where you get your 24 words. All right. And you want to write them down and then store them somewhere where only you know. So you want to take a couple of pictures, take a couple of screenshots of this, and then also after some screenshots, you're going to come right here where it says export mnemonic, and you're going to click that button. And when you click it, it's going to download to your system. All right. When you click it, it's going to download into your system. All right. So let's go ahead and get that set up if you have not gotten that set up yet. All right, so once you have entered your 24 words, then you're going to click validate, and then you will be brought here. All right. Now, okay, when you get here, what you want to do, once you get here, is you want to take a picture of this QR code and this address. You want to take a clear picture or a screenshot of this QR code and this address right here. All right, now once you take a picture of the QR code and the address, what I'm going to have you do is right here, you're going to click this and it's going to log you out. And you're going to have to confirm that yes, you want to log out. So go ahead and click confirm. All right, and so now you're back here on the main screen. So now we're not going to create a wallet. Now we're going to access our wallet. All right, and now what you need to do is put in those same 24 words that you did the first time, enter those in again right here. All right, now once you enter in all of your 24 words, you can either, and you can do this two ways. You can manually enter it in, or you can click import mnemonic key file, and it'll automatically import it for you. But either way, once you have your words entered, you're going to click access my wallet. All right. Now, once you get here, the key thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that this address right here is the same address in the picture that you took earlier. You want this is very, very crucial, because a lot of people skip over this and then they end up accessing someone else's wallet, and then they put their money in someone else's wallet, and then now it's gone. And once you set this up, if you lose this key, your 24 words, no one can help you access this wallet. That money is gone. So again, you want to make sure when you log back in the second time, this address under this QR code is the exact same address as in the picture that you took earlier. All right, so once you have this verified and you're positive, you're positive that you have this verified, what we want to do is now we're going to focus on moving the money. Okay, now we're going to start loading up the wallet. So the first thing we do, we're going to copy this address. See, this address is only set to receive money. You can see that right here. This address is only to receive money. So if somebody gets a hold of this address, let them use it. Okay, let them use it. They can only use it to receive money, okay, to send you money. So we want to copy this address, and I recommend highlighting the address and then copying it, because sometimes when you use this right here, it doesn't copy the address fully. It's a programming error that they're working on, but I recommend highlighting it and then copying it. And then we're going to go to GSPartners, all right? And when we go to GSPartners, we're going to click on financial, and we're going to click on withdraw, all right? Now, GSPartners, whenever you withdraw, it defaults to Bitcoin. So you just need to switch it to G999 coin, all right? And then you're going to scroll down a little bit. And right here, you see that you have to enable two-factor authentication, okay? If it has not been enabled, then you're going to click here, all right? So you want to make sure you're going to click here, okay? And then right here, okay? It's going to say two-factor authentication. Scan this barcode with your Google Authenticator app, or manually add the secret code into your app. And then please take a screenshot of this code. So you want to take at least 2 or 3 screenshots of this code, like right now. Take the screenshots, and then what you're going to do is you're going to, after you take the screenshots, open your Google Authenticator app. And when you open the Authenticator app, there is a plus sign to the lower right of your Authenticator app. All right. And you're going to click that plus sign in the Google Authenticator app, and you're going to click scan a QR code. That's what it's going to say. It's going to say scan a QR code. And so you want to tap that link, and then you want to scan this code from your phone or device to set up your 2FA. All right, so once you put your 2FA code in, you want to enable authentication. Okay, and so if you wait too long, then you got to do it again. All right, so all right, so once you put in your 2FA, then it's going to tell you that your two-factor authentication strengthens your security by requiring 2 methods to verify your identity. All right, so what you're going to do, and I know this is very tedious, but this is all for your security. What they're going to have you do now that you've authenticated it, now every time you log into your GSPartners account, you're going to be required to enter your 2FA PIN code found in your Google Authenticator account. All right, so let's put that in, and then we'll get access to our account again. All right, so once we put the code in, we authenticate, boom, we're back here, and we get the advertisements, all the wonderful things going on in GSPartners. Now let's go back and let's click financial, and then we're going to click withdraw. And what we're going to do is we are going to click on the G99 coin. And now when you click on it, you see this information has come up. All right. And so what we want to do, just to be sure, we want to come back to our web wallet and copy this address right here. And then go to GSPartners, and we're going to click new address. And we're going to paste the address right here. And let's label this web wallet. All right. And then click add new address. All right. Now you should get this green bar that says address successfully added. Now what we're going to do is we're going to send this to our web wallet. We're going to send some coins to our web wallet. So you want to click in here and select your web wallet right here. Okay. And then we're going to put an amount. Now right here, it tells you how many coins you have available. Okay. Now you can put all of it in there, or you can put some of it in there. But what I can tell you is that with some of the transfer fees that are involved, I would recommend, in this case, we have 64,000 coins. I would recommend putting 60,000 into the account. Okay, that should be plenty. And then you're going to click initiate right here. Now, anytime you withdraw money from your GSPartners account, 2 things are going to happen. The first thing is you are going to have to enter your 2FA to confirm that you want to do this withdrawal. All right, so we put this in, we click confirm. Now it says withdrawal generated. It happens real quickly, but it says withdrawal generated. Check your email to confirm this withdrawal. All right. Anytime you withdraw information, anytime you withdraw monies from your GS Partners account, it will always send you an email to make sure that you confirm the withdrawal. Now, once you have confirmed it, this is going to pop up at the bottom, and then you see this over here on the side, withdrawal completed. All right. Once we see this, then we can go back to our web wallet and we can click here. This is the refresh button for the web wallet. We can click here, and what we're doing is we're waiting for the system to update our web wallet with the new balance. All right. So it takes sometimes about 5 minutes or so. So we're going to wait for this to update, and then we'll come right back. All right. Now, once your monies are transferred over, okay, you'll see here your current balance. So you see the transfer fee on this one was 600 coins because we sent over 60,000. They took 600 coins for transfer fees. And then you'll also see a record of it down here. All right, you'll see a record of it down here as well. All right. Now, what we want to do is we want to go here to our gstrade.exchange site. gstrade.exchange site. We want to go there. All right. Now, when we get here, what we want to do is we want to know what is it going to cost for us to set up our account for GS DeFi, right? Because there is a cost to set up the account, all right? And so what we want to do is we want to click apply now. And right here, okay, this tells you the minimum deposit required and enter wallet address. Now, right here, the wallet address you want to enter is this same address. This same address on your web wallet. You want to go back to your web wallet, okay, right here, your web wallet, and you want to copy this address again. Come back here. And what you want to do is you want to paste this web wallet address, and you want to click check balance. All right. Now, when you click check balance, it shows you the current balance right here. And this number should match this number right here. All right. Now, once you've confirmed that, what you want to do is you want to put your cursor right here next to this 0 on the right and click. Okay, on this particular platform, the numbers are entered from right to left, not left to right. So as you start typing the numbers, okay, you want to start typing in your balance number by number. 5, 9, 4, 0, 0. Now, if you stop right here and you click check rewards and apply, it's going to tell you you don't have enough money. Why? Because you have to look at this in terms of a decimal number. So even though this says 559,400, you have to imagine there's a .00 on the other side. So when you get right here, and this is the last number in your balance, what you want to do is just keep hitting a 0, okay, until your balance is the same as above. Now you see, once you have enough monies for the minimum balance, this notice will pop up, okay? So if I remove a 0, see, I don't have enough money. That's 5,940 coins. That's not enough. But when I add a 0, now that just helps you, verify that you're ready to move forward. Okay, now pay attention to this. This notice is very important. Right here it says you need at least 446 G999s in your GS Trade wallet, your GS Trade G99 wallet. What in the world is that? Well, I'm gonna show you. And the reason we did this is so that we know exactly how many coins we need, so we don't put too much or anything like that. We're just gonna do, okay, the bare minimum here, all right? So we need at least 446 coins in our GS Trade wallet. So your wallet is accessed by clicking on your dashboard here. And once it loads, you scroll down, and here is your GS Trade G99 wallet. So what we want to do is we want to click deposit. And then this address right here, we want to highlight and copy. Okay, we clicked deposit under G99. You just move over, click deposit, highlight this address, copy it, and then let's come back here to the web wallet. All right, click back on your web wallet, and you're going to click in here for the receiver's address. That means, who are you sending this money to? So you click in there, paste the address, and we already know the amount, 446 coins. So we put that number here. All right. You paste the address, you put the amount of coins. All right. I'm gonna use round numbers, put 450. And then we're gonna click send. Now look, you get a transaction summary. All right. You get the amount. There's a fee for moving monies across the blockchain. We all know that. It shows you the address one more time in case you want to verify it. And then you just click send G99, G999. All right. Now, once you send it, you go back to gstrade.exchange, and you want to come up here and you want to refresh the screen. And we wait for it to come back up. And of course, it takes a little while. All right. So we just keep refreshing until this balance right here updates. When that balance updates, we're good to go. All right, so let's check again. We should, there we go. All right, so you see right here, this amount has been updated. So now, believe it or not, family, we're 90% done. All right, the hard part is over. The hard part is over. All right, so what we want to do now is we want to click on apply now, right here where it says welcome to the GS DeFi Center. Click apply now. All right. And we have to enter in the web wallet address again. So we go to our web wallet. And again, we highlight here. We copy it. We paste it here. And we always check our balance. And you see the balance has changed, okay? Because we added some monies to the GS Trade wallet, all right? So what we do is right here, we click right next to the farthest zero to the right. We click here and we start entering in this number, all right? 5, 8, 9, 4, 6, 6, 1. Now you can, I noticed there's a decimal point here, but you cannot add a decimal, okay? So what you have to do is you have to hit the 0 button and keep adding zeros until the decimal point is between the correct two numbers. So right here, the decimal point is between the two sixes. And then right here, the decimal point is between the two sixes. So we know that we're good and covered. All right. Now, the last thing that we want to do is if you are a partner, a basic member or a premier member, you want to make sure you get the right amount of your percentage. So you're going to go here to your GSPartners and you're going to scroll up. All right. And you see right here where it says currently you're a premier user. Click on view voucher right here. And it gives you your voucher number. Okay. So once again, we're going to highlight this and we're going to copy. And then we go back to gstrade.exchange. And where it says GS voucher, we just click here and we paste it. All right. Now, this is where the magic happens. All right. Start rubbing your hands together. This is the magic right here. Click check rewards and apply. Booyah. You are eligible for Premier Advantage Membership Awards. If you want to keep your staking rewards, all this information, here's your participation amount. That's the amount of initial coins you put in. Here's your 5%, okay? And right here, rewards are distributed every 7 days, okay? According to your participation amount and membership status, you'll receive 56.52 coins each week, okay? It says each reward, but you're rewarded every 7 days. So each reward, you're gonna get 56.52 coins. And so what you wanna do is you wanna click this orange button right here, and it says, hey, this action is irreversible. Are you sure you wanna continue? Absolutely. So we click yes, it's gonna calculate. And then here's the magic coming up right there. Boom. This is what you want to see. Here's your premier rank. Here's your address. Here's the current amount of coins that you have. Here's the amount of coins you're going to receive. And look here. Here is when you're going to get your very first reward of coins. All right. And so with that, family, that is how you set up your DeFi plan with GSPartners. Easy peasy. It is a lot of moving parts, but if you just take your time, go through the video, go watch the video first before you try and do this. Watch the video first, then go back and step through each part, stop it, rewind something you don't understand, go forward, go through step by step. And if you take your time, you'll be successful in setting up your very first GSPartners DeFi plan, whether it be for yourself or for a new partner that you just enrolled. This is Eric. They call me the app guy. Remember, like this video, check the bell so that you are aware of new videos that I put out. And remember, you have got to want success as bad as you want to breathe. Have a great day. See you on the next video.